Here's how to make an incredible magic vision board that absolutely works. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So we're talking about a magical vision board, how to make it work and how to get it to work for you right away. This is real magic. You see, real magic happens when your subconscious mind receives a signal and sends it out to the universe, and the universe responds in kind. In other words, you begin to manifest what you deeply desire based on the law of vibration. So high flyers, with a normal vision board, you get out magazines, you cut out pictures, and let's say that your vision is that you want to get married and have a dream life. So you have a picture of a wedding, you have a picture of a big home, you have a new car, the yacht, of course, the beach house, everything. You have the whole shebang right there. That's your vision board. And you put it up and you look at it every day. And what does your subconscious mind say? It says, well, that's never going to happen. He's never going to call me. He's never going to propose to me. I'm never going to have the money to have a house like that. I mean, with the kind of job I have, I don't see how that will ever happen. I'll never have that boat. I'd love to have that boat, but I'll never have that boat. In other words, your normal vision board, while it can be beneficial and it can help you, can actually work against you. It can slow the whole process of manifesting down, because you manifest with your subconscious mind. You do not manifest with your ego or your conscious mind. Remember, your conscious mind is only about 8%. Your subconscious mind is 92%. So think about it. Now, here's the technique. The technique is, rather than cut out a bunch of pictures, focus on what you deeply desire. What is your intention? What is it that you really see? It has to be very clear. Not, I want to be rich. Okay, that's not an intention. That's a wish. Okay, not, I want to be happy. That's, again, another wish. How are you going to be happy? Where are you going to live? Who are you going to live with? How much money are you going to have? All of these things are absolutely essential in understanding who you are and zeroing in on the focus of what you truly and absolutely desire. So high flyers, how to make a vision board. This is the real question, because the real answer is that a vision board must work with your subconscious mind. Hey, I have an idea. What if your subconscious mind actually created the vision board? Wouldn't that be a little bit different? Wouldn't that be a lot more effective? So high flyers, we've explored all kinds of vision board ideas, but I consider the technique I'm about to share with you one of the best law of attraction magical techniques you can possibly use. Here's what you do. You focus very clearly on what you desire. Be specific. Remember, you can make more than one of these. Be absolutely specific about what you desire. And turn off all the electricity in your environment. Light some candles so that everything is natural lighting, or do it outside where you have the sun. Either way, you want natural lighting. Very, very important. Okay, so there's no electricity. You can have some quiet music in the background. 639 hertz would be perfect for this. And get a pen such as a Sharpie like this. And you're going to open up your Sharpie and you're going to focus on what you deeply desire. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my pen on the paper. And I'm focusing on what I deeply desire. Now, you can do this sitting down, by the way. You don't need to be standing up. I'm focusing on my deepest desire. I see it clearly in my mind, or I feel it in my body. And I let my hand go in whatever direction my subconscious mind takes it. I'm not directing this at all. I'm focusing on an intention. I'm focusing on a desire. I'm seeing it as if I actually am experiencing it. If it's a new car, for example, I'm in the car driving it. If it's a new home, I'm walking through the door. I'm taking possession of the keys and walking into the house. It feels good. If it's a relationship, I feel myself in harmony and union with the one that I desire. And I will go until I feel that I've reached the end, that I've completely visualized clearly and cleanly what I absolutely and deeply desire. And what is the result? I have what looks like a scribble. Now, my conscious mind can't argue against that. My conscious mind can't say, well, that's never going to happen. She's never going to love me, or he's never going to call me, or I'm never going to have enough money for my business, or all the negatives that you can possibly think of that a regular board could excite. My conscious mind is just going to see this as a scribble. But my subconscious mind knows exactly what this is, because it was my subconscious mind that drew this picture. We call it a sigil in magic. It drew this sigil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down to size, and I might put it in a frame. I might put it in my bathroom on the mirror somewhere. I could put it on my refrigerator, because people go in and out of the refrigerator all the time. I could even take a picture of it and make it a screensaver on my laptop or on my iPhone. Do you see all the possibilities? But it's your subconscious mind now. It's not your ego. And so every time your subconscious mind sees this, something happens. An explosion takes place, and it sends out a vibration to the infinite field of potential. It sends out a message, and the universe sends back exactly what you desire. And it sends it back fast. Now, oftentimes, I have 3 or 4 of these going at one time. And I actually I might forget what this sigil means or what it was for, because I have 3 or 4 others, and I might have them all in the same place. And I use this quite regularly. And so guess what happens? Once I forget consciously what it means, then it even becomes more effective. So if you put this up somewhere and you just let it go, let it go, let it flow. If you just let it go and you walk by it, you see it, your subconscious mind reacts to it, it sends out that blast to the universe, and you start manifesting. Oh yeah. And you manifest big, and you manifest fast. It's very, very effective. So high flyers, there are 4 C's, 4 of them, that are absolutely essential to making this work like it's on steroids. Number 1 C is create it. You have to take the time to create this particular sigil. Slow yourself down. Take an evening to do this. Don't rush through this. This is important. Create it, and create it the right way. The second message is to clear. Clear the sigil. So what I will oftentimes do is I will clear the sigil by simply putting my hand over it, and I will just say, I clear this sigil of any negative or counter intentions that may be in my mind or energy field. I just want to clear it. I want it totally clear. The third is to charge it. So this method is pretty simple. I just simply put my hands together, rub them. Bring that light in from up above. Visualize that white light above my head. Bring that light in. Feel that ball of energy, a ball of beautiful, creative, infinite white light. And I will simply state my intention into that ball of light. Whatever your intention is. And then take the ball of light and place it into the sigil. And then follow it with a sign of silence. That seals the energy so it doesn't come back to you, but it stays with the sigil. And then the fourth is consecrate. Consecrate means to bless. We just put our hands over it again and we say, I dedicate this sigil to the following purpose. As it is desired, so shall it be. And so, high flyers, this whole technique works with the power of your subconscious mind. That's where manifestation really takes place. That's when you really become the attractor that you desire to be. When you start using the power of your subconscious mind. Hey, visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com. miraclehypnosisonline.com, because we are giving you 7 days free to try out our entire program. There's a plethora of programs there for you to try out that work, that will help you manifest your deepest desires. They absolutely work. And thank you for subscribing. Be sure and click the bell icon. You have a great day. Bye-bye now.